My name's Colin from Pegasus 4x4 and I'm here today to demonstrate our unique electric side steps for the Range Rover Velar. As you can see at the moment, they're neatly hidden away. You're completely oblivious to the fact that it has them, and that's really in keeping with the lines of the Range Rover Velar. When deploying them, there are two ways of doing it. The first way is to press the button to open the vehicle. You'll then see that the step comes down on the driver's side. If you choose to do it automatically via the key, you can also deploy the passenger side by pressing the key again. You can then get into the vehicle, and once in and you close the door, the steps will go back underneath, completely hidden away. Same with the back door, and once again up they go. The steps are fitted with an anti-trap mechanism, so if in the event something was in the way, when you close the door, you can see that they stop. Okay? So those are electric side steps for the Range Rover Velar, available from Pegasus 4x4. I'd like to thank you for listening today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ring one of our sales team on 01179 640 640. Thank you.